Halo, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Yepi Mangun Puspita Judin. I'm a student from Mercu Buana University. So, I'm majoring informatics in computer science department. So, in this video, I will talk about natural language processing, especially about the data pre-processing. Okay, let me show this. So this video is part of my assignment, of my big assignment was. So this is what is it? This is a natural language processing course, which is held by Mr. Henry Noprison. So as a lecturer, okay. So in this video we will talk about section B, which is write the Python programming and then answer in video. Okay, this section B is about pre-processing, text pre-processing, especially in natural language pre-processing. Okay, the pre-processing itself has two parts. The first one is change the text into lowercase, or we can call it case folding. And then the second is deleting numbers. The next is tokenizing, and the last is stemming. Okay, so all the sentence is already provided by the lecturer. So I just create the code for doing this pre-processing. Okay, and I already have the code. This is my code. Okay, can you see? I will explain this code line by line. The first one, of course, we import the required library that we use. The first one is re, which means in Python is a regex library, and this regex library is used in removing numbers. And the second library that I use is Sastrawi, which is Sastrawi is a library for Python, especially for doing uh, do work about natural language processing, especially in Indonesian language. So is it if in Indonesian language we can use Sastrawi library. Okay, and for this code I just need only stemmer factory for doing stemming. So I just initialize the stemmer factory here and put it into the variable stemmer. And the next one, I create stemming function, which has parameter text or sentence, and then return the stemmer sentence. Okay, the stemmer is use stemmer factory here. So we can call the function later when we doing stemming. And then going to the pre-processing, the first one is case folding or change the sentence to lowercase. This is the sentence that I copied from here. I copy it and then I print the original sentence also with the result for each pre-processing here. For the lowercase, for the case folding, change sentence into lowercase, I use lower function, .lower function in Python to change the text here into lowercase. As you can see the result here, Fakultas Ilmu Komputer blah 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 blah, each word and at the first letter they has capital. Okay, that's a capital letter. So when the case folding using lower function, the result is changed into all lowercase now. Okay, the second pre-processing is removing numbers. This is the original sentence. Also I print the original and the result of removing numbers. And for removing numbers, as I explained before, I use regex from Python and then subtract using this pattern. This pattern means this is a find in the text that has 0 until 9. So the number is 0 until 9. If it's found, then change it to empty string, which is removing numbers. As we can see the result here, this is the original text. Fakultas Ilmu Komputer memiliki 2 program studi. This is a numbers, and then the result we can remove the numbers here. So become Fakultas Ilmu Komputer memiliki program. So the numbers is removed into empty string. Okay. And then the third is tokenization. This is a most used one in NLP about preprocessing tokenization. This tokenization is splitting each word into tokens. Okay, so also in this tokenization, I print the original text and then the result. For the tokenization, I use a split function from Python also, .split function, to split each word here into an array, or in NLP we call it tokens. So this is the original text and this is the result. As we can see, Fakultas Ilmu Komputer blah 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 blah, it's transformed into tokens on array or array. So this is each word is separated, okay? And the last is stemming. Stemming is change each word to its basic form, or in Indonesian, we change the word into kata dasar. So for example, we have kata membanggakan become bangga. Okay. So merubah suatu kata gitu ya jadi kata dasar. That's the stemming one. Okay. And this is the original sentence, Universitas Mercu Buana blah 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 blah. Also I print the original sentence and then the result. Again for stemming I use a created function before that use stemmer factory from Sastrawi. Okay, so I just call the function and then put the sentence as a parameter. So the result, this is the result. As you can see, this is original text and this is the result. As we can see, this is kebanggaan become bangga, and then merasa become rasa, berkuliah become kuliah. Yeah, that's all from this sentence that has not in basic form. Okay, so in this result all the words now is already in basic form. Okay, so I think that's all from explanation in this code. Yeah, that's all. I think for the conclusion, for the preprocessing, data preprocessing is like essential part in NLP, or especially in machine learning, AI. The preprocessing is like important step that we should do, wajib. So as we know, the data is not clear enough, is very messy, and the computer can understand directly the data. Okay, so we need to pre-process it first before the before we process using model and etc. Okay, so this is the example. There's the example of pre-processing in NLP. So that's all. I'm sorry is there is a mistake or like I kinda hard to explain in this like this video. Okay, so yeah, thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.